Hi guys, how you doing? I'm Al from EC Arc, and today we're going to show you how to have some safe fun on Halloween. Right here I have my fellow staff, Jose. He's going to have 30 seconds to stick his hands inside the brains with maggots. And then we have a little ooh going on around here, as you can see. This has dry ice. Remember, use prongs to put it inside water. And also this has dry ice with water. So Jose, are you ready to find out what's inside my brains?
Yeah.
All right, you have 30 seconds. Ready, go.
Oh my god. Potato? This is disgusting. What is that, Dum Dum? Oh. A pacifier?
We told you it was gonna be fun.
I don't know what this is. Oh, wait, a cherry tomato or a grape?
Okay, guys, now we have our next contestant. His name is Juan. He has to do more than 4 to beat Jose. You ready, Juan?
Yeah.
On your mark, get set, go. Over here, Juan. Go in there, grab in there and get them brains in there. What you find, buddy? Go and pull it out and see what you found.
This feels kind of special. Potato?
Uh-huh. You got about 15 seconds to find 5
Move
more items.
fast.
Oh, man.
You can use 2 hands if you like, Juan.
A lollipop?
Lollipop, that's 2.
What is this?
And time.
What is
You
that?
have to pick that last item right there, buddy. Do you have any idea what it is?
Feels. Wait. I have to be a skeleton?
That is correct.
All right.
All right, and Juan has, let's see here, 3 items. You didn't get Jose. Now, before you clean your hands, can you go ahead and put that back inside there? Go ahead and smash it on down. Right here, Juan. Okay, guys, now we have our next contestant. Her name is Liz. She will have 30 seconds to guess. She needs 5 items to beat Jose. On your mark, get set, go.
Did you guess what that was?
Oh, shoot, I don't know. This feels like a little face, a skull.
Mm-hmm.
Ew, this feels like food or something. A grape. I don't know.
Want to give her back that?
A skeleton?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. A ball? Or maybe an eyeball. No, feels like a ball.
Mm-hmm. Time.
I can't.
It's time.
Okay. I don't know. Another ball.
You want to feel?
All right,
Ever feel that
that's
one?
30
out?
seconds. We're going to
That was
let you
horrible.
go and fill this one right here. This is the one you threw in without seeing what it was.
Don't. Oh, pacifier.
Okay, good job, Liz. Well, you pulled 6 items out, but I'm sad to say you only got 3 right. Right.
Aw, shucks.
Or was it 4? No, you got 4 right.
I got 4.
Oh no, you got 3 because 2 of them are eyeballs.
Oh, okay.
No, she got it right still.
No, she said balls, dear.
She said eyeball or ball.
Okay, then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6. Now can you put that back on in there? Smash it on down in there before you wash your hands. Okay, guys, our last contestant, his name is Joe. He will stick his hands in there and see what he can find. He needs 6 items to beat Liz. On your mark, get set, go. You can use 2 hands, Joe.
Oh, 2 hands? That's a little skeleton. That's a spider ring. That's a pacifier. That is a little skull head. That's a grape. Let's see.
of sunglasses. I'm gonna guess that's an eyeball. There's something big in here. What is this? This is a rock. No, it's not a rock. This is soft. I don't know what that is.
It's time.
Time.
Is that it?
Yep.
All right.
The one you missed, Joe, was a potato.
Oh, the one that was in my hand?
Yeah.
I couldn't figure. I was like, man, it's like a rock, but it gives a little bit.
High five the camera.
Oh, Joe, and you also missed the grape. The grape was a cherry tomato.
Oh.
So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items. Joe is the winner.
Oh.
Just like his baseball team, he had
Nice.
one.
Yeah.
No,
Hey, you
this
got
was
it.
5.
Oh,
So
okay.
you
cool.
needed 6.
Right on. All right.
Okay, guys, our next contestant is Anthony. He needs 7 to beat Joe. On your mark, get set, go.
Eyeball?
There you go. Put it in the container. There you go. Keep going.
Oh. A rock? No. I don't know. A potato.
There you go. Go and put it in there. Once you figure it out, put it in there and go to the next. Speed.
Glasses.
There you go. 4 more.
What in the world is it? A beanie? No. Olive pepper? What is it? Oh, I don't know. Next one.
Yeah, go and drop it in there. Yeah.
This is a pacifier.
Time.
Time.
Tell it, Anthony, those tomato.
Time.
Tomato?
Okay, guys, our last contestant is Ed. He needs 7 items to win. On your mark, get set, go, Ed. Don't be bashful. What you got?
What is that?
Oh, crap. It's a skeleton.
All right, go to the next. Drop it in, go to the next.
Skeleton. It's a ball. Football. It's a handcuffs. These are probably somebody's here. It's a glasses.
Joe, I found your glasses.
There's glasses. Oh, it's eyeballs.
2 of them.
Oh my. Oh.
Time.
Oh.
What you
It's a
got?
skeleton.
Got it.
Time.
Time, man.
2, 4, 6.
You can see now. Well,
Cheater, cheater.
Who's next now?
I think he won. He got a lot. I got it.
You got 1, 2. He didn't get the football because it was a potato.
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6. We have time. 10.
Man, I thought you had one more than me, but that's because you didn't get the potato either.